futures versus option. Let us understand this concept with very simple example. Suppose it's 1st of January today and you have a birthday on 1st of Feb, that is within 30 days. And you want to buy a cake for your birthday, but you're afraid that the price of the cake would sharply rise within this 10-year period. So what you do is that you go to that pastry or bakery shop and you buy a derivative of that cake as on 1st January. So what derivative of that cake does is that it locks up the price. For example, if you bought that derivative of that cake at 1000 rupees on 1st January, but after 30 days on 1st Feb, that is the expiration date, the prices of the cake sharply rises to 1200. Then you can easily buy that cake at 1000 having 200 gain. On the contrary, if the cake falls to 800, then you have to purchase that cake at 1000 with a loss of 200. Coming to options, options are basically right, but not an obligation. Coming back to that cake example, if the price went up till 1200, then you can easily buy that cake at 1000. But what if the price falls at 800? Then, as I said, option is a right, but not an obligation. So you can refuse to buy that cake at 1000